Ashwini, let's get going on your stock calls.
Well, for the day, Nifty needs to stay above 5955, resistance at 5994 and 6050, support at 5899 and 5860. Bank Nifty needs to stay above 12,408 and CNX IT above 6606. BTST from yesterday, Asian Paints was a sell with a stop of 4770, target of 4650. TCS was a sell with a stop of 1470, target of 1400. HDFC was a sell with a stop of 880, target of 835. Fresh calls, Ipca Labs is a buy with a stop of 595, target of 640. Castrol is a buy with a stop of 354, target of 378. United Spirits is a buy with a stop of 2400, target of 2650. HDFC Bank is a sell with a stop of 696, target of 670. ONGC is a sell with a stop of 324, target of 305. And RIL is a sell with a stop of 793, target of 770.
Okay, let's also get you some commodity trading strategies.
As well as the demand remains good, we expect copper momentum to remain positive. One can look at buying this counter at current levels and dips to 418, putting a stop loss below 415 for a target price of 425 to 427 on the higher side. As far as nickel is concerned, amongst all the base metals, nickel has just given a technical breakout above the 850 level. A sustained close above this will push the prices higher to about 950 to 1000 on a positional basis and about close to 900 to 910 on intraday basis. We suggest traders to buy this counter at current levels and dips to 860, putting a stop loss below 840 for a target price of 880 to 900. As far as gold is concerned, short-term momentum is likely sideways with a positive bias. One can look at buying gold at current levels and dips to 26,950, put a stop loss below 26,880 for a target price of 27,200 to 27,300 on the higher side.
Well, we continue to hold our bearish view on crude and expect crude prices to test around 5130 levels in next 1 or 2 days. So anytime rise in prices till 5250 or 5260 levels in MCX should be used as selling opportunity, with a stop loss to be placed at 5320 rupees on higher side for the initial target of 5180 rupees, and if price are able to break and give close below 5180, then further sell off can be seen till 5120 rupees. The other commodity where we see good momentum is silver. We are expecting a correction in silver, and in correction we are expecting silver prices to move down and touch levels of around 42,800 rupees in next 1 or 2 days. So anytime rise in prices till 44,000 or 44,100 rupees in MCX should be used as selling opportunity, with a stop loss to be placed at 44,600 rupees on higher side for the initial target of 43,300 rupees. And if price are able to break and give close below 43,300, then further sell off can be seen till 42,800 rupees in next 1 or 2 days.